Hello friends, today I'll talk on your favorite topic, that is tea. Are you fond of drinking tea? If yes, then you are welcome in this video of which I am going to tell you today that in which mood you should drink which flavor of tea. Tea flavor should always be chosen according to your mood. There are different flavors of tea according to your mood. Tea manages to completely change any of your moods. So guys, let's have a look tea according to your moods. First is masala tea. This tea reigns in the heart of every Indian, loaded with the flavors of spices like green cardamom, black peppercorns, clove, etc. This tea promotes a feeling of happiness and cheer. A hot cup of masala chai is all you need to feel happy and positive. Next is chamomile tea. Due to our busy lives, feeling stressed is quite common these days. Drink a cup of chamomile tea and see the magic. It will soothe your body and will relieve it from all of the stress. This refreshing tea is a must have for those who remain stressed due to work and other problems. Lavender tea. Insomnia is another common problem these days. No matter how hard some people try, they aren't able to fall asleep. If you are one of those people, we recommend you to resort to this aromatic lavender tea. The lavender buds used to prepare this tea have a calming effect on the body, which puts you to sleep easily. Tart cherry tea. If you experience restlessness at time, drink this tart cherry tea to relieve you of the feelings. It is known to slow down the blood flow of the body and helps it to relax. These tiny berries contain melatonin, which also aids in inducing sleep. Black tea. We all know how hard it is to wake up every morning. Give a perfect kickstart to your morning with this power-packed tea. Black tea is known for its abilities to wake up. It contains caffeine. Black tea is known for its abilities to wake up. It contains caffeine, which hits you at the right places and motivate you to get up from the bed. Green tea. This healthy cup of tea has been our favorite for a very long time. Not only does it aid in weight loss, but also charges the exhausted body. Lack of energy naturally affects one's mood too. L-theanine, an amino acids, has a relaxing effect on the body and boosts the energy. Orange tea. We all have bouts of anger at times, which can have an adverse effect on the health. Orange tea can help you sail smoothly through these times. It is prepared using the orange peel and its alluring aroma which will calm you down. Ginger tea. To give yourself an instant boost of energy, drink a cup of healthy ginger tea. It charges the body and elevates the mood. It relaxes the mind and body and gives a feeling of comfort. You can add a few drops of lemon juice to it to make it more palatable. And the last is peppermint tea. A cup of peppermint tea can help you feel emotionally well. It's important to be fine from inside before you concentrate on other things. Menthol present in the mint leaves works as a muscle relaxant and makes those emotional days easy on you. At last, I want to sum up all these, that in which mood you should drink which type of tea. Means if you need sleep, you need to drink lavender tea. If you are anxious, you need to drink tart cherry tea. If you feel uneasy, that means you should drink peppermint tea. If you need positivity, it means you need Indian masala chai. If you need energy, it means you should drink black tea. If you feel uncomfortable, you need ginger tea. If you feel angry, you need lemon or orange tea. If you feel stressed, you need chamomile tea. If you're depressed, you need lemongrass. If you feel tired, then green tea. Thank you.